Hello everyone, today I am fixing an iPhone 6s Plus battery here. So first we want to turn off the phone. So just hold your lock button a while and turn off your phone and open your bottom screws. It's already been open. So then use your tweezer to lift the screen slowly. Always take time, never pull out too hard because the screen cables are on the top side. So once it was open, use the plastic tool to separate the screen carefully. You want to be open the screen gently. If you see there the screen is opening up, so you just want to open the outside plastic, not the screen. If you want to use the isopropyl alcohol, use some alcohol for that, but gently open the screen. You want to open towards the top. Your screen cables are in the top. Yes, then open gently and open the two Phillips screws there and uninstall the battery. After uninstalling the battery, the whole battery has a adhesive strips under it. I gently pull the back tabs from the bottom and slowly, not fast, so that don't tear. Sometimes the glue breaks, so I use a little heat un, under the battery, so I don't have the heat gun. That's why I'm using isopropyl alcohol, but don't tear it. Try to open gently. Now the wall battery is out. Now try to clean your area. Why? Because I used a lot of isopropyl alcohol and I'm removing that streaks, and clean all your phone gently. Then take a new battery. I got my battery iPhone 6s Plus. So this is a new battery. The old battery is not so good. So after installing the new battery, connect the battery cable. So this is how I replaced the iPhone 6s Plus battery, and the phone is working great or not. I just want to look the phone, so that's why I turned on the phone. Yes, it's working now. The charging is 60%. So I unlock the phone and I will check the battery health. Then I will come to know how much battery percentage it has now. Since it is a new battery, I know it has 100% battery. So this is how I fix iPhone 6s Plus battery. Look, showing 100%.